All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the eraser tool. So if I click on the little eraser tool here, I right click, we have the eraser tool, the background eraser tool, and then the magic eraser. So the eraser tool, depending on what size you select, okay, and if I go back here, we can just start deleting. If I turn that off, okay, then it'll actually make this background transparent. So if I make this really big, and I just want to kind of delete random stuff, you can just use it for that. We can erase whatever you want here. Okay, so I'll go back. So that's the eraser tool. Then we have the background eraser tool, which is crucial for this type of image, because if I just click here, it works for kind of broad strokes. So let's go back and then we'll unlock this layer again and just try to do it from like here. And I'll move this one over. Let's see. Let me enlarge. Okay, there we go. There we go. So I'll bring this back in, and then I'll just kind of work around this and just kind of do it like that. I'll make this a little bit bigger so we can get this done a little faster. So we can bring this all the way down to here, and then up, and then over. Made my ear transparent, which is all right, because we're, like I said, we're learning, so this is important. I'm not learning, you're learning, but I take that back. I'm always learning, just not with this tool, because I've used this so much. But like I said, what I'm doing is I'm just deleting the background here, okay? And then I go up here, and you can see here I goofed up a little bit, but that's all right for this example. And then that's really it. So that's the background eraser tool. Now the magic eraser tool, if I go back and I reset this, and then I turn this off, that's the easy way to get rid of a background, especially if it's one solid color. That's why I took the picture there, because I can easily edit this and just kind of, you know, we could do this. We can go to Google, and let's go to Google, and what I'll do is I'll look up palm trees. Okay, and then we'll do images, tropical. Okay, and we'll just grab right click, and we'll just save this image to the desktop. And then I'll open it in Photoshop, which I have in another window, but Control A, Control C, and then Control V here. It's a really small photo, but that's all right, because all I want to do is just make this the background. So we got that, and then we can go like this, and there you go. So now the palm tree is behind me, and you just Photoshop me with white hair. So you could just say that I have white sand in my hair. See, like that. So all you do is you touch up this part, and then you'd be good. Or you could do this. We get really clever, and we can look up beach hat. So I'll right click and save this image. Okay, and then I'll right click on this and open it with Photoshop. Really, it won't let me bring the photo in. Okay, let me go back here and select another one. And I'll right click on it and save that image as. Okay, and then I'll bring this over so you can see what I'm doing. I'll right click on that and open this with Photoshop. I have a program error. Okay. Let me try open then. Bizarre. Okay, it doesn't want me to have a hat. So I'll just leave it like that. But what I was going to do is I was going to add a hat here. And we'll do this in the final project. So there you go. So that's how you work with the eraser tool, the background eraser tool, and the magic eraser tool. So I'll reset this. We'll save it. I'll close that out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.